Disturbing America. First time in America. Disturbing America. Disturbing America. First time in 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 America. Disturbing America. My first time in America, I was disturbing America. Then I, who's that nigga? That's disturbing America. Touchdown in UK. United Kingdom. Shop that show in London. Every team on the mobile. Touchdown Jamaica. Hakuna Maganja. Bombo clap. Touchdown Cameroon. When I take drugs, I go to the moon. After the show, 5 girls in my room. Riding that dick like boom, boom, boom. Touchdown South Africa. Sakolophobia. Boy, ask me, don't